Hi guys, it's Nathan here from Construction Technology Services Australia. Tonight I want to run through Unicontrol Cloud and how you can use it to upload new design files or create projects and send that information out to your Unicontrol equipment via the cloud service. There's a lot of features here. I'll skim over some of them. We'll probably go into that a bit more of a cloud how-to on another video. But for now, just quickly, on the left here, you've got your equipment. You can see what's online. You can see what current active project you have, and you can see where they are. The next tab along is your projects. So all your projects you've saved on the cloud, either from your screen or through the cloud service itself, will be here. Users, that's another great feature. You can add users. So if you were sending your equipment to a site for 6 months or whatever, you could give access to the site supervisor or the survey team, whoever's handling the design files, and they can upload them directly to your Unicontrol equipment without having to go out onto site. So anyway, moving on to the projects. So we have all of our projects in here. We can create a new one. Give it a name, demo project. So create. We pick if the site's using a published coordinate system, then we can just select it from in here. Say GDA 2020, AusGeo 2020, that's fine. We can confirm those project settings. And there we have our project and our coordinate system that we're using. And in here, we can then upload the design data. As said with the USB video, Unicontrol uses XML and DXF files. So if I jump in here, I can bring them across, or I just jump in. See here, I've got my on my USB, I've got my line work, I've got points, and my surface XML. So I can highlight all of those, bring them all in, and upload the files. So now our project has its coordinate system, and it has its line work and surface files and points file. You can then assign the equipment to that project. So we're going to assign machines, and we can select which ones we want to assign. So if you had multiple bits of gear on site, just pick them. Let's pick them all, and we say assign. And then we can select whether we want to auto cloud share, which we do. Keep real-time project logs for all the equipment. Just turn all these on. If the equipment leaves site, you can unassign it. But what this will do is any points that are saved in the excavator or the dozer or whichever, they'll be kept on the cloud. You can go into your as-built there and see that information. So if we jump back into files, that will show us our design files. So let's say there was an update. The survey team or you or whoever has access can just jump straight into this project, click upload design, and put in the new file. And because it's got the date there, you can remove the old ones. So you can go delete and they'll be gone. If you wanted to jump back in and let's say you started off with a published coordinate system and then they did a site calibration, and you wanted to use that, or you had the site calibration right from the start, you can scroll down to the bottom here and you got localization files. you want to upload one. It'll give you a list here of what you can upload. Yeah, just it's the same process. Click into the box here. It'll take us to a USB. It'll show us the correct file type. Grab that, pops in here, press upload. It uploads it, and then we can make that our site coordinate system in this list. So we scroll to the bottom, the top, I should say. There's the LSF, and there's the LSF, and we just press update. And that will change the site's calibration from the published GDA 2020 to our local site calibration. You'll see here, there's the project name, and now we're running the calibration file. It's pretty simple. Yeah, if you need a hand with any of it, I'm happy to come out and give you some training, or if the site wants to use it and you want to give them access, I'm happy to head out there as well and give them some training on the whole process. But it's that's it. It's pretty simple. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe.